reactions of alkyl halide. So you can see this is the one alkyl halide, and we have reagent sodium hydroxide in acetone, triethyl nitrogen amine, and this is your ethanol heating. So what product we will get? So in case of A, this is your acetone. So here SN2 reaction will having a less possibility, because this is the tertiary carbocation, so it will undergo elimination reaction. So it will form a compound like this one. So Br will come out and hydrogen will come out from here. So we will get one product like this one. So this is the product, major product. This is your E2 reaction. The second product will be here possibility, but that is your minor product. The second product will be this side. So this is your minor product. In case of B, so this is your ethanol we are heating. So here SN1 reaction take place easily. So we will get product. One product will be Br will comes out, carbocation will form. So one product OCH3 will be attached on both sides. So here product will be your OCH2 CH3. This is one product, and you are getting heating also. So you will get another product, that is product is your elimination reaction E1. This is your SN1, and one product may be possibility, that is E2. So one product will be your this product. Now in case of this one, so this is your tertiary amine. So on heating you will get same reaction like E2, because the SN2 reaction will not take place. So SN2 will not take place because of bulky group, okay. So we will get product E2. So product is this one, and second product will be your this year product will be your minor, and second product will be your this side is there. So one product will be this one. So Hoffman elimination because of bulky group. So this is your major product. You can say this is the Hoffman elimination. So this is major, this is minor because of this bulky group. Sodium hydroxide acetone. So in these cases SN2 reaction will take place. So we will get product because this is secondary carbocation. So here will be your OH, SN2, and some E2 will also take place. So we will get two product, one will be your E2. So this is your E2. So in this case this is a bulky product. So definitely you will get one product will be, so Cl is removed. So you will get this product, because this is the amine, tertiary amine is the bulky base. So due to bulky base there is a less SN2 reaction. So this is there is less chance of SN2. So you will take the E2 eliminations over here. So this is the product of this reaction. Now, so this is the bridgehead. At the bridgehead Cl2 is present in presence of sodium hydroxide acetone. So the reaction will form, the compound will form like this one. So this will be your SN2 reactions. So here will be OH, this side will be hydrogen. This is your SN2 reactions. Elimination will not possible. Elimination is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because double bond cannot form here. So double bond cannot form this side. This is a highly unstable, because this is angle strength will be more. So exocyclic double bond not possible. You can say exocyclic double bond is not possible. This will make this compound more unstable. So this is our product. So this is our reactant. Either Cl is this side and deuterium ion is this. So what will happen? So when reaction takes place in, this is the very big bulky base. So in this case Cl will be removed from here and D will be removed from here. So this is the bulky base. So we will see the product will be your like this. So one D is removed from here, D is removed from here, this side, and hydrogen and Cl also. So both side will elimination take place. So this is our answer.